Part 2.
Part 2?
I think the bread should have been a little bit more
Hard?
firm.
No, it's fine.
What?
It's bubbling.
It's a bubbling. Yum. Yum.
Here, you hold it.
Do you want to lower the flame a little bit, or has that high flame's good?
I gotta pee.
She has to pee. When Eddie calls me, I'll say, "What you have for dinner?" "Oh, I had bird's nest." Oh, I broke the yolk.
It's alright.
Will she eat it?
I wonder if we should lower the flame, or that's good. But is the bread gonna burn?
Let's lower it this way.
Yeah.
I just need to get some more butter. When I flip it, tell her she has to flip it.
And add more butter.
Take some butter.
Oh, I'm videotaping.
Videotaping, you videotape everything.
She wants to put it on YouTube for her fellow college students. I think I had this in a restaurant once.
No.
Yes, I did, sis.
Well, then they stole Grandma's thing.
It was so good. I think it was called something different, though, than a bird's nest.
Grandma used to make us eat this.
Did you like it then?
Yeah? Oh, yeah. I eat them all the time. My mother will even ask me, "Can you make me one of them?"
Oh, cool.
They're really good.
Huh.
Late night dinner.
Poor man's dinner.
Yeah, exactly.
Make some hash browns on the side. Some potatoes.
They're good. It's good. Perfect.
On the eyes. Very interesting.
Oh man, YouTube. There we go.
Ta-da!
Ta-da!
Bird's nest, right?
And a bird's nest.
All you need is 2 pieces of bread and 2 eggs.
Right. That's it.
Happy eating!